Number 10. Fenugreek. Fenugreek has been used for centuries to treat skin disorders like eczema, psoriasis, and acne because it's rich in antioxidants that help reduce inflammation. Soak a few fenugreek seeds overnight in a mixing bowl and grind them into a paste the next morning. Add a teaspoon of honey to this paste and apply it to your face. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing thoroughly with lukewarm water. Honey keeps moisture in and helps draw out any impurities, while its antibacterial properties soothe irritated skin. You can use this mask once or twice a week depending on how sensitive your skin is. 9. Rosemary. Rosemary contains high levels of antioxidants and nutrients that make it effective for fighting free radicals and reducing hyperpigmentation. In a small saucepan, combine half a cup of water and a tablespoon of fresh rosemary leaves, or you can use dried leaves. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce heat and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Allow the rosemary to cool down before straining the liquid into a separate bowl. Once it's cool enough to touch, rub the affected area gently with a cotton swab dipped into the rosemary water. You can do this twice a day until the dark spots fade away. Alternatively, you can also add a few drops of this rosemary water into your moisturizer and apply all over your face. This will not only help with dark spots, but also improve circulation and hair growth. 8. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is well known for its healing and soothing properties. It reduces inflammation and gets rid of acne scars by deeply hydrating the skin and promoting faster cell turnover. Take a fresh leaf from an aloe vera plant, remove the outer skin to get the transparent gel inside. Apply this gel directly to the dark spots and leave it for 20 minutes before washing your face. For extra benefits, you can mix a teaspoonful of aloe vera gel with a tablespoon of lemon juice and apply it as a face mask. Lemon juice acts as a bleaching agent that brightens the skin and fades away dark spots. Rinse off after 15 minutes with lukewarm water. You can do this once a day for best results. Number 7. Green tea. Green tea is packed with polyphenols which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. To prepare a green tea face mask, take 2 green tea bags and dip them into 50 ml of warm water. Allow the tea to cool down and remove the tea bags. Gently dab the affected areas with the tea bags to reduce puffiness and redness. You can store the remaining green tea in a container and refrigerate it for up to 3 days. Just remember to dab it on your face twice a day for the most effective result. You can even use green tea as a toner by spraying it on your face every morning and evening. This will help to soothe your skin, minimize pores, and protect against sun damage. 6. Cream of tartar. Cream of tartar is a natural exfoliant that removes dead skin cells and reveals brighter skin underneath. It also has antifungal and antibacterial properties that fight acne and other infections. Mix a teaspoon of cream of tartar with a tablespoon of water to form a smooth paste. Apply the paste on your face and let it sit for 15 minutes before rinsing. This treatment is great for those who want to tackle age spots, freckles, and other types of dark spots caused by sun exposure. For extra benefits, add a few drops of tea tree oil into the cream of tartar before applying it to your face. The tea tree oil has antiseptic properties that help kill bacteria and reduce inflammation. 5. Blackberry. Blackberries are packed with antioxidants that fight free radicals and reduce oxidative stress on the skin. They also contain ellagic acid, a powerful compound that protects against UV radiation and reduces the risk of skin cancer. To make a blackberry face mask, mash a few blackberries in a mixing bowl and apply the puree directly to your face. Leave the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes before removing it with a damp cloth. Follow this treatment once a week to get rid of dark spots, wrinkles, and fine lines. If you don't like the sticky texture of the blackberry puree, you can mix it with oatmeal or yogurt to form a smoother consistency. Oatmeal absorbs excess oil and reduces inflammation, while yogurt contains lactic acid that brightens the skin and fades away dark spots. Number 4. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which is effective at removing dead skin cells and evening out skin tone. It also has antifungal and antibacterial properties that reduce acne and other infections. To use apple cider vinegar as a toner, mix equal parts apple cider vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Shake well before each use and spray it on your face once or twice a day. You can also add a few drops of lavender essential oil into the spray bottle for a soothing and calming effect. This is a gentle yet powerful treatment that helps brighten the skin, minimize pores, and reduce the appearance of scars and blemishes. 3. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a natural pigment that gives it its vibrant yellow color. Curcumin has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that fight free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. It also inhibits tyrosinase, an enzyme responsible for producing melanin, the pigment that causes dark spots and freckles. Mix a teaspoon of turmeric powder with a tablespoon of water or yogurt to form a paste. Apply the paste on your face and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing thoroughly with lukewarm water. This treatment is great for those with oily or acne-prone skin. If you want to use turmeric in a non-paste form, you can add a few drops of turmeric essential oil into your moisturizer and apply it all over your face. But keep in mind that essential oils are highly concentrated, so you should always dilute them before applying them topically. No. 2. Oranges. Oranges are rich in vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that helps fight free radicals and reduce oxidative stress on the skin. Vitamin C also inhibits tyrosinase, an enzyme responsible for producing melanin, the pigment that causes dark spots and freckles. To make an orange face mask, squeeze the juice of half an orange into a mixing bowl and add a tablespoon of ground almonds or oatmeal. Mix well to form a smooth paste and apply it to your face. Let the mask sit for 15 to 20 minutes before removing it with a damp cloth. This treatment is great for those who want to brighten their skin tone and reduce the appearance of scars and blemishes. Oranges also contain other nutrients like vitamin A, B, and E, which promote healthy skin and hair growth. Number 1. Lemon. Lemon is one of the most popular natural remedies for lightening dark spots. Due to its high concentration of vitamin C and citric acid, vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps fight free radicals and reduce oxidative stress on the skin. Citric acid, on the other hand, inhibits tyrosinase, an enzyme responsible for producing melanin, the pigment that causes dark spots and freckles. To make a lemon face mask, squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a mixing bowl and add a tablespoon of ground almonds or oatmeal. Mix well to form a smooth paste and apply it to your face. Let the mask sit for 15 to 20 minutes before removing it with a damp cloth. You can follow this treatment once a week to get rid of dark spots, wrinkles, and fine lines. Lemon juice also has antifungal and antibacterial properties that help kill bacteria and reduce inflammation. It also helps to hydrate the skin and maintain its pH level. However, lemon juice is phototoxic, which means it can increase your skin's sensitivity to sunlight. So you should always apply sunscreen when using lemon juice topically. While these natural remedies are generally safe and effective, it's important to do a patch test before applying them to your face. If you have sensitive skin, consult with a healthcare professional before trying any new skincare routine. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more informative videos.